Today we're going to talk about the ACMER 48 watt laser module. Now this is a blue diode laser that's 450 nanometers in wavelength, and as mentioned it's 48 watts, which is pretty powerful. Now I don't usually do unboxing videos, but what we have here in the box is just the laser module and a power brick that's 24 volts and 7.5 amps. And if you're upgrading from like the P3 33 watt, you're going to have to use the bigger power brick with this laser module. So one thing I like about these things, this particular laser module, you can remove the safety eyepiece. There are a lot of laser manufacturers where this whole assembly is just solid and you can't remove anything. And I don't like that for clearance reasons. And I don't like that for visibility reasons sometimes as well too. So anyway, while we're in here, let's take a look at how we're going to clean the lens after we use it and it gets dirty. All you have to do is unscrew this nozzle, and then we can, when I get a flicker of yellow is about when I see that the camera can see as well. That is the lens. It's a protective lens. It's got a little spanner wrench slots on it to where you could remove it, but don't remove it. You're not supposed to do that. But you can clean it very easily just with a Q-tip or some kind of optical cleaning rag, and use 91 or better percent isopropyl alcohol so it doesn't leave water behind. I went on their website. You can buy 6 of these replacement modules for $50. So if you spring for $799 for this, means you got a little bit of money, you should go ahead and order replacement lenses. I've seen so many people, a lens will crack or something and then they'll moan and groan about they're down and they can't work. Okay, one of the reasons I can see that ACMER didn't remove this hole or make this whole area removable is because this is your manual focus bar. The focal length on the sticker says 8 millimeters. So you would do that, set that down on your material, and then when you'd pull it up after you were done focusing, and then raise it back up and secure it. Up here at the top is a switch that says 48 watts on the top and 24 watts on the bottom. Most of the time I would run this thing at 24 watts and I'd use 48 if I was cutting. So the back side here just is the guide rails. Around the top we've got something to be joyous about. This 3-pin connector right here is awesome. When commercial lasers first hit, they had JST connectors. Those little white flimsy connectors that you push in, pull out. Do that 20 times, 25 times, 50 times, and you're going to break a wire eventually. So thank you, ACMER, for putting a decent connector on this laser module. And this little dust cap right here is where you would plug your air assist in. So that is a quick run around the ACMER 48 watt module, and I'll hang it later and we'll see more.